Ciao guys, Wood here. So today I want to do a little different video because recently there was an update from Microsoft for SteamVR for Windows Mixed Reality. So the program that we use in Steam to run every game with our Windows Mixed Reality headset. And this update add some stability and resolve some bugs, but they also add the possibility to have snapping turn on every single game. So it will be an overlay from the headset to have the snapping turn in every game, every application, or SteamVR in general. And that's very, very useful because first of all, our cables in our Windows Mixed Reality headset are not so long, are long like the Oculus one. So it's very, very easy to get caught in a cable. So it's gonna resolve this issue. And other than that, if you like to play sitting, that will be perfect because you can just do a snapping turn and look where you want without turning all your body. And because not so many games support the snapping turn, that's a very good and clever idea to add something like that. So I'm gonna switch on the computer right now and show you how to do. So of course we're gonna need our controller, and all the process is very, very easy. So we go on the File Explorer and we open the location where we installed our SteamVR, our Steam. So for me it will be D, and we go on Steam Library, Steam Apps, and then we go on Common, so where are all the games, and we look for Windows Mixed Reality VR driver. Over here, we go on the Resources, Settings, and here we have this file. So what we have to do is open it with Notepad. So we do Open With and Notepad, and we click on OK, and we're gonna have this. So everything is super, super easy. Here we can change the target scale, but I will not change that because you already have the option in SteamVR for the super sampling. And in the second part, we have here thumbstick turn left or thumbstick turn right enable. Are both on false. So what we can do is to add that on our right thumbstick or on our left thumbstick. I actually prefer the right, and that's what I'm gonna do because I'm very used with the Oculus games where you do that. So what you do is just super easy. You change that with true, and that's it, it's done. Now there's also another option if you want smooth turning instead of snapping turning, but as they write here too, can create nausea and a lot of motion sickness. I don't really get motion sick, but I prefer the snapping turn for some reason. I'm just pretty used to, but if you want the smooth, you just change here to true again instead of false. So what we do right now is super, super easy. We close it so it's gonna save, and we can try it together. So I already opened here our Windows Mixed Reality. So let me preview the cliff house, and we are here. Let me put on the HP headset. And okay, so the snapping turn at the end will be the same that we have here. So let's see if it works. So we open SteamVR. Over here. So we're gonna get in SteamVR. And let's try right away if it works here. And snapping turn. Oh, and it works. Actually, we can't change the degrees, but I feel like it's gonna be 20 degrees snapping turn, something like that, maybe a little less. But yeah, it's still here in SteamVR, even just in the widescreen. So let's dump on that and let's try a game that doesn't support it, like Payday 2. And let's open it. Now it's loading. Let me open this too, so you're gonna have the right visual. So here we are inside. So what we can do is teleport like always. And yeah, and we have our snapping turn again. Let me see in the option. Over here, there's not. Gameplay, controls, movement, dash zone, dash that size, advanced, zip-like collision instead of teleport. So yeah, it's not enabled usually. So yeah, we have the snapping turn over here. That's great. Super easy. Quite a little weird with the end, but who cares? It works. Let me get out from the game. Now, okay. And let's try just to see if even the smooth locomotion works. So we can open here, let's close SteamVR just to be sure 100% we're not gonna create problem. And with the same file, let's do true over here for the smooth one. And let's save. And now let's get back in SteamVR. Here we are with the controllers, and yeah, it works. Smooth snapping turn. Again, smooth turn with the right thumbstick that I'm using over here. I hope you're gonna be able to see. Yeah, that's it. Okay guys, I think that was pretty easy. This was just a little tutorial. If you need to see on the website from Microsoft, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. And I think it's super easy and super clever and useful, because like so many times we just wanna sit to play VR, or the cables is not too long, we don't have extension cables, so like it's pretty uncomfortable to turn. And I feel like to have the possibility to have a snapping turn every time really adds a lot. Even if for the immersion, personally, I prefer to turn myself, but sometimes it's just so much easier. So I think it's a great thing. Anyway, if you like the video, like. If you think that it was useful, like. If you didn't like it or you think that it wasn't useful, dislike. Well, leave me a comment below if you have any problem to do it, and what you think about if they should add snapping turn to every game or not. I think so, because I feel VR is not ready for everyone yet for motion sickness and everything. So every possibility I feel like is just the best thing we can have right now. Anyway, see you guys in the next video, and see you in VR.